In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get coupons on Alibaba. If you're looking to save money on your orders, this walkthrough will show you where to find coupons, how to collect them, and how to apply them at checkout so you see the discount before you pay. Start by visiting the Alibaba website or opening the app. Sign into your account or create one if you're new. Use your email, phone number, or a social login, and complete any verification prompts. This matters because most coupons are visible only to logged-in users, and some offers are tailored to your region and account status. Next, head to the Coupon Center. Depending on your version of the app or site, this might be labeled Coupons, Deals, Promotions, or Voucher Center. Browse what's available, check the validity dates and minimum order requirements, and tap Collect or Get Coupon to add them to your account. Remember that some coupons are limited in quantity and can expire quickly, so grab the ones you plan to use soon. When you open a product page, look for a coupon or discount banner near the price or under the Buy Now button. If you see Collect Coupon, tap it. These product-specific coupons often come with conditions like minimum quantities or exclusions on shipping, and they may stack with platform coupons if the terms allow. Visit supplier store pages as well. Many stores offer their own coupons or promotions when you enter the storefront. Look for store coupons or promotions and hit Collect. Store coupons sometimes work together with Alibaba-wide coupons, which can add up to bigger savings. Keep an eye on major sales events, such as anniversary sales, seasonal promotions, holiday sales, and global shopping festivals. During these periods, more coupons are released and discount thresholds are often lower. Set reminders and check time zones so you don't miss limited time drops. Don't hesitate to chat with suppliers for private coupons, especially if you're placing a larger order. A simple message like, "Hello, do you have coupons or discounts available?" can go a long way. You can also try "Ni hao, 请问有优惠款或者购吗?" Be clear about your order quantity and timeline, and keep the conversation within the Alibaba messaging system. Check your account for rewards and points. Buyer reward programs, loyalty points, and new user promotions can convert into coupons automatically or through claimable